Thank you for joining me today for this virtual tour of 100 Woodrun Circle in Middleton, Tennessee. I am so glad you're here, and I am excited to show you all of the wonderful features of this absolutely stunning lake house. As you enter the foyer, straight ahead, you're welcomed into the living room. To the left is the office, and to the right is the dining room. Conveniently located in the hallway, there is a half bath for guests. Moving forward into the living room, you'll notice how spacious it feels. A wood-burning masonry fireplace, built-in shelving, wide-crowned molding, and natural hardwood floors create a warm, inviting space. 2 French doors frame the lake beyond, and plenty of room for seating, even a grand piano. But I must show you outside these doors. They open to a screened-in porch that spans the entire back of the home, inviting the outside in. The views are endless, and the flow for entertaining and everyday living feels like every day is a holiday. Next, we will tour the 16 by 15 office that sits at the front of the home, accessible from both the living room and the foyer. Built-in shelving line both the north and the south walls, while 2 large west-facing windows continue to bring in the natural light. From here, we move into the primary bedroom. It is spacious and serene, with the same crown molding, hardwood floors, and custom built-ins for a beautiful sense of continuity. And lake views follow you here as well. The primary bathroom is elegant and calming. A white-on-white palette that creates a relaxed spa-like feel. His and her vanities, a chandelier, and sleek columns flanking the tub add a touch of sophistication. Detailed tile work in both the tub surround and the shower enhances the luxury, while a private toilet room and separate closets provide comfort and convenience. Conveniently located outside the primary suite, the laundry room offers utility sink and generous storage. Now we arrive at the heart of the home, the great room. Designed after an English pub, this space is both cozy and social, featuring wooden beams, brick-lined walls, hardwood floors, and a fireplace. One of the beautiful custom features of this home is a handcrafted cabinet with stained glass. It adds a unique and artistic touch to this room. From here, we enter the kitchen. Cabinetry lines the room, offering exceptional storage, along with a built-in desk and conveniently located exterior access. Whether you are a seasoned chef or you just enjoy cooking, you'll appreciate this kitchen. Gas top cooking, a decorative range hood, a deep split sink, a wall microwave oven combo, and look at all of that counter space. Next, we have the butler's pantry, a standout feature for sure, with 2 walls of countertops, a prep sink, a wine cooler, second refrigerator, pantry, and glass front cabinets. It's the perfect space for preparing and serving. The butler's pantry leads to the well-appointed dining room, where elegant cove lighting sets the tone for evenings of gathering. Hardwood floors and wainscoting add another layer of refinement. The staircase to the third level is located in the foyer. The third level offers approximately 900 square feet of newly finished flex space, ideal for a media room, a playroom, office, or whatever suits your needs. The exposed brick chimney carries the warmth and character from the living room up to the third level. The lower level brings a creative and relaxed energy. As you descend the stairs, you're welcomed by a beautiful wall mural with warm, earthy tones and a peaceful countryside scene. The space is perfect for relaxing, entertaining, making music, or hosting your guest. With a kitchenette and 2 spacious bedrooms, each with its own full bath, this level is both functional and inviting. A wood-burning stove provides a second heat source, adding both charm and practicality. The bedroom on the east side of the house has large picture windows so that you can see the absolutely gorgeous lake from this bedroom. Also, the full bath for this bedroom can be accessed by the common area. The second bedroom on the lower level offers a little bit more privacy, as this bathroom can only be accessed through the bedroom. It offers a vanity, a stand-up shower, and a toilet. On the lower level, you will also find a generous workshop, additional storage room, a half bath, access to a 3-bay garage, and a utility sink. From here, you step outside onto the back patio to continue your entertaining. The grilling area is equipped with a natural gas line, making outdoor cooking easy. Leisurely travel the meandering wooden walkway as these steps wind down to the lake and a private boat dock. Along the way, you'll find peaceful spots to sit, read, or simply just take in the surroundings. This property was thoughtfully designed to welcome you home and to refresh your soul. Well, that concludes our tour of 100 Woodrun Circle. I hope that you have enjoyed this tour, and as you can see now, this property has so much to offer. I would love to show it to you in person. If you're interested, give me a call.